Hello there. Hope you're doing well. So here the passage uh, given the direction. The passage given below is followed by four alternative summaries. We need to choose the option that best captures the essence of the passage. So we can say it's a para-summary based question, para-summary based questions, right? So what we need to do, we need to find out one of the best option that will capture the essence of the passage and best captures the essence. It means some options may be called as a summary to it, but we need to find out the best. So look at it. So what does the paragraph stated? Skepticism, a prominent branch of philosophical inquiry, challenges the feasibility of achieving genuine knowledge. Skeptics utilize methods like the get your problem to underscore the constraints of our senses, reasoning, and dependence on external sources. They contend that achieving absolute certainty regarding knowledge assertion may be unattainable. In contrast, empiricists assert that sensory experience forms the bedrock of all knowledge. They argue that knowledge originates from direct observation and experimentation, emphasizing the importance of tangible evidence over abstract reasoning alone. This dichotomy or differentiation between skepticism and empiricism underscores enduring debates about the nature and limits of human understanding, prompting ongoing philosophical reflection on how we acquire and validate knowledge in a complex world. Right? So that is the text you would find out, original text. So look at the each option here, which option carries the best essence of the text. Skepticism, the first option said, skepticism emphasizes about or absolute knowledge based on reason, while empiricism grounds knowledge in sensory experience. Second, skepticism and empiricism are two schools of thought. Skeptics doubt knowledge to thought. Skeptics doubt knowledge, while empiricists trust the senses. So, three, skeptics rely on logic and reason to prove knowledge, whereas empiricists prioritize sensory experience. Four, skepticism and empiricism represent opposing views on the source and limitation of knowledge, but both rely on reason. So, if we go for each and every option, so what do we find out? It is stated skepticism questions the feasibility for achieving genuine knowledge and emphasizes the limitations and doubts surrounding our ability to know anything with absolute certainty. Now, if I look into the another one, empiricism, on the other hand, declaring that what knowledge is primarily derived from sensory experience, sensory experience, right? That is what first one is stated, uh, and direct observation. Now, if I go for the each and every option, so the first option, skepticism emphasizes absolute knowledge based on reason, while empiricism grounds knowledge in sensory experience, right? This option incorrectly describes skepticism, isn't it? Uh, you can say that what skepticism challenges the possibility of achieving absolute knowledge rather than emphasizing it, right? So you can say that challenges, right? Challenges the possibility. Empiricism correctly emphasizes, you can say that sensory experience, but the description of skepticism is incorrect here. Hence, we can eliminate this option, option one. Now, if you go to the option two, what does it say? Skepticism and empiricism are two schools of thought. Skeptics doubt challenge knowledge, while empiricists trust the senses. Now, this could be correct because skepticism questions the feasibility of achieving genuine knowledge and emphasizes the limitation and doubts surrounding our ability to know anything with absolute certainty. Whereas empiricism, on the other hand, declares that knowledge is primarily derived from sensory experience and direct observation. So we can say option two accurately reflects these key differences without misrepresenting either position, making it the most suitable summary, right? Summary. Let's look at the other options also. Option three, what does it say? Skeptics rely on logic and reason to prove knowledge, whereas empiricists prioritize sensory experience. This option, incorrect also, suggests that skeptics use logic and reason to prove knowledge, whereas skeptics are more focused on what? More focused on questions, questioning the possibility, questioning the possibility of knowledge, possibility of knowledge. While empiricists do prioritize sensory experience, the characterization of skeptics is misleading, isn't it? So therefore, option 3 is also eliminated to it. Option 4 stated skepticism and empiricism represent opposing views on the source and limitation of knowledge, but both rely on reason. Now, this is also a kind of a misrepresentation by stating that empiricism by suggesting that it relies on region, whereas empiricism primarily emphasizes the sensory experience. Sensory experience. Skepticism does involve reasoning to challenge knowledge claims, but empiricism focuses more on sensory input rather than reason alone. Overall, you can say that these options either misrepresent, like option 1, 3, and 4, the core ideas of skepticism and empiricism, or introduce incorrect elements about their methods and focus. We can find out option 2 is best reflects the accurate distinction between the two school of thought. Hence, we can say option 2 would be the correct answer. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.